Sanibona bafethu uVanele so I'm back again with indaba zakubhethu Premiership. Amateam amaningi ayathenga engabe yakho i-team iyathenga na. Ngisathanda kuthola indaba la bafethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs isisayine istriker ekade yayisifuna bafethu. Istriker lesi ababekade besifuna abethi bayasayina bahlulwa iCR Belouizdad. Iagent yakhe yamthatha yamyisa le eAlgeria wasayinwa iCR Belouizdad. Currently umjida ukwi-loan. Yabo, ukwi-loan uloan weKaizer Chiefs on a 1-year deal. Yabo. Njoba nibona la iKaizer Chiefs bafethi ukhiphile umbiko umjida usayinile for iKaizer Chiefs. I just hope uKaizer Chiefs umjida uzofika adlale kahle abuyise lesa spark ayenaso before joining iCR Belouizdad. Mina ngikhumbula phela uKhanyisa Mayo he was playing for iBafana Bafana. We want to see him playing for iBafana Bafana njoba ezojoina nje iKaizer Chiefs. I just hope uKaizer Chiefs uzofika enze kahle. This is a good signing for iKaizer Chiefs. If you look at the strikers iKaizer Chiefs sewasayinele kuleli windi nje lilodwa. We have uFlavio Silva, they have Ighodaro, they have Lomchita lo Khanyisa Mayo. That's like 3 strikers already. 7 strikers or 3 and they promoted Unaledi. I think Unaledi Hlongwane if I'm not mistaken. So iKaizer Chiefs they are really serious in boostering their striking position. Yabo bafuna competition lapha kuyitracker zabo. So ukulandwa kwaKhanyisa Mayo kuzoletha icompetition eningi. Remember they have a player called Lulilebo. Naye he can really play as a center forward lapha. So there is a competition lapha. Yabo there is a competition as strong ngempela iKaizer Chiefs. Siyathanda ukubona into kanje bafethu ukubona iKaizer Chiefs eqinile. Leyo nto lo yenza izinto zibe mnandi kuBethu Premiership. Senza sibe mnandi kuBethu Premiership we are about to see ibhola la ngempela this season. Ama team ehadulisana ngempela. Yabo kuyangijabulisa ukubona indaba kanje bafethu. Ngangitshela wena ezimlandeli weKaizer uzizwa kanjani ngale signing le. Is it a good signing or a bad signing? Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu namhlanje kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns isireceive enye interest eqhamuka le eEurope from ama club aqhamuka le koPortugal na le ko Norway. Yabo kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns ayifuni kakhulu kumdayisa umjida because uKedoso ufuna ukumnikeza igame time le season le. Yabo njengoba efuna ukumnikeza igame time nayo uRibeiro uyafuna ukuhamba kuMamelodi Sundowns, so they can't lose their creative player uLetlahu. And uLetlahu usayingane kakhulu to leave iMamelodi Sundowns ayele Europe. I don't know. Yabo do you think uLetlahu kumele ahamba eEurope noma asale lapha ejele kuMamelodi Sundowns? Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa iOrlando Pirates may be eyeing for a striker kwiwindi la ngoJanuary. Bafuna a striker sangempela kwiwindi la ngoJanuary. So they have 1 foreign slot open. The Bucks could reinforce as they juggle for CAF and domestic duties. Remember Orlando Pirates sayinile striker kuleli windi leli isikulona. Basayine bani? Basayine uYanela Mbuthuma. They have uYanela Mbuthuma. So bafuna another striker to boost that position Orlando Pirates. Asas wangitshela, do you think we need another striker? For me, yes, I think we do need another striker. Esikwaziyo ukora magoli up front. Yes, we have Makgoba who knows how to connect play, who knows how to connect with the players, but we need a player up front who will score goals. But again, that's a good story for another day. I'll do a video speaking about that. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu kuthiwa uOhizu, manikhumbula kahle bafethu uOhizu usayine a deal entsha with iSikhukhune United. Kuthiwa usesuspendiwe iSikhukhune United with a possible exit. Ususpendiwe with a possible exit umjida kuthiwa khona izinto azenzile ezingokho right azenzile. Njengoba sasanda kusayina nje ideal abakasitshela ukuthi yindaba esuspendiwe, but ke ngokwakho uyawubona umlomo asazi kwenzakalani. Uyawubona umlomo mhlawumbe ntomazane who knows, tshwala who knows, but ke right now umjida ususpendiwe asazi noma uzobuya yini kwiSikhukhune United. We might see him being released by Isikhukhune. Isikhukhune kule season serious kakhulu asifani njengamanye ama team. Kwezinye izindaba ngiyizwile namhlanje kuthiwa the former Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates left back uBongani Sam is training with the TS Galaxy. So umjida right now with 28 years and we free agent. Yabo ufuna ukujoina ama club la kuBethu Premiership. TS Galaxy they need abadlali baba abaningi abahamba. So umjida uya trainer right now, trainer with the TS Galaxy. Let's hope TS Galaxy yamsana fethu. That's a good team to join. Kwezinye izindaba namhlanje Cape Town City they have confirmed their new signing istriker saseCongo uWalter Blaya. Angilazi lela gama lithini Nkosi yami, but le striker sasidlalele Al Ahly, istriker lesi sesayiwina iChampions League, istriker lesi esinolwazi oluningi ebholini. Yabo, Cape Town City currently idlala le ezansi ku-NFD. Let's hope ukusayina abadlali abaningi kanje kuzobasiza bakhuphuke ku-Betway Premiership. I like the way they are signing these players. Indlela abasayina ngakhona labadlali, basayina abadlali abayi-quality abazokwazi ukuthi babasize le ezansi. But currently they are really struggling. I think they have 2 draws already. Bayastrugglisha le ezansi. They need quality players to survive NFD. NFD nayo bafethu ayifani nje i-Betway Premiership. Ayikho open ku-rough lapha, and you cannot complain to anyone. Ku-rough NFD i-rough. Look at the Cape Town Spurs bale izansi manje. Kwezinye izindawo bafethu umdlalo we-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa ufunwa i-Durban City. I-Durban City bafethu kuthiwa ifuna umlona lo Mjida lo imthatha from i-Kaizer Chiefs, 31 years old. Mjida akaza kore since edlala ama-games awu-10 kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. As a Kaizer Chiefs fan uyibukele le video, do you think Mjida kumele ashiye i-Kaizer Chiefs ayojoyina i-Durban City on loan, or Mjida kumele ahlale kwi-Kaizer Chiefs ayiprove as their best player? Angazi. For me, Ntshebe, he's not a striker. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs yamsayina nje because they didn't have any strikers. So do you think lapha ekhaya uMaurice kumele ahambe ayojoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs noma kumele ahlale uMjida? Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu uShandre Campbell uyasirepresenta lapha le eBelgium with indlela adlala ngakhona. Usesayine i-deal with Nike. With Nike, the American Giants. Uyasho lapha uthi, I'm humbled, proud and fired up to be officially joined Nike. The journey is just beginning. The grind continues. Let's change the game. Abafethu South Africa bafethu abekho ready for a World Cup ya next season. Shandre Campbell might be available for a World Cup ya next year, not next season, ya next year. Yabo, to see these youngsters performing the way they are performing currently, Shandre Campbell will be part of the under-20 World Cup yabo squad eyodlala le Chile. So kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona izinto ezikanje bafethu. Izona-ke indaba lezi esinazo namhlanje zakwi-Betway Premiership nabadlali bala eSouth Africa. Ungangitshela wena ukuthi iziphi ezikujabulisayo, iziphi engakujabulisi. Ngakhohle bafethu ungifollow lapha e-Instagram nguVane Sports, ngiyatholakala futhi na Facebook nguVane Sports. Ngiyabonga bafethu for i-support eninginiyazayo yona.